Another tricky exam question. Let us solve step by step. Before solving the problem, please go through the below steps. Find the prime factorization of 36 using the factor tree method. Write it in index form and find the total number of factors. Step 1. Find the prime factorization in index form. Start dividing 36 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 36 exactly, we get 18. Observe, 2 is a prime number. So, this branch ends here. Again, start dividing 18 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 18 exactly, we get 9. Observe, 2 is a prime number. So, this branch ends here. Again, start dividing 9 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide 9 exactly, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides 9 exactly, we get 3. Got it? Observe, both branches end with the prime number 3. So, the factor tree is complete. Now, collect all the prime numbers at the ends of the factor tree. In this case, they are 2, 2, 3, and 3. So, prime factorization of 36 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. This can be written as 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. This is the index form. Got it? Now, let us apply the formula. We know that the prime factorization of 36 in index form is 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. So, this 2 becomes A and this 2 becomes B. Therefore, total number of factors of 36 equals A plus 1 multiplied by B plus 1 equals 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 equals 3 multiplied by 3. This gives you 9. Got it? You can verify by finding all factors of 36. Observe, the total number of factors of 36 is 9. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more tricky questions, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.